$11,000 a month to live right there. Y'all let me know, would you do that? Bridgeside apartments. See how much these luxury apartments are hitting for, because I've always just wondered and was curious. Bro, where do you go? You know the place nice when they got the name on a napkin like that. But we're sitting at 882 subscribers, so shout out to all of y'all for subscribing to my channel. From the 843, putting on for the city. Wow, yeah, this is it. There's a skeeter too. All right, YouTube, welcome back to another video. As y'all can see, I got the Ravenel Bridge behind me. If some of y'all don't know, I am from Charleston, South Carolina. I used to do Turo. I did Turo for about 3 years. And on this channel, we talk about business credit, money, finances, rental cars, anything like that is all on this channel. So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about renting in Charleston, South Carolina. I've lived here my whole life, and I've realized that the rent has gone up a lot throughout the years, you know, whether it be from elections, a lot of people moving here, a lot of people making money, whatever the case is, rent's going up. I'm gonna be bringing y'all along with me to go tour at least 3 apartments here in Charleston, South Carolina, just to show y'all, if you do plan on moving here, how much rent's gonna be and what to expect. Charleston's a very traveled city. Right now, as you can see, we have a cruise ship in town. That is the Carnival Sunshine Cruise. Me and my girlfriend have been on that cruise before, so it's really cool. It's a nice ship, but there's a lot of tourism here. Like I said, there's a lot of history downtown too. It's November 4th, and as you can see, I'm wearing a flannel, but low-key, it's hot outside. So a lot of people move here for the warm climate, the beaches, the history, all kinds of things. If some of you also don't know, I do own a condo, so I bought my condo at the age of 23, so I was blessed and fortunate to do that with my 9-to-5 job. I also made a video about having a 9-to-5 job. If you haven't seen that, definitely go check that out right here for me. I talked about having a 9-to-5 job versus being an entrepreneur. I pay right now $1,600 to own my condo, $1,200 for mortgage, and the $400 is for HOA, which is crazily overpriced, but we're gonna be kind of basing around that. That's gonna be the base model for today. So without any further talking, y'all, let's dive right into this video today, y'all. You don't want to miss it. I'll see y'all in a few. Peace. We have made it to our first apartment. I'm not too sure the name of it, but it wasn't too far from where we were at, so we're just gonna roll with it and see. This was not on the pre-planned list of places that we were supposed to check out, but we're just gonna go see how much it is. It's right next to the Ravenel Bridge where we just were. We're just gonna see if we can go in and maybe get a tour, see how it goes. I've toured other apartments before and we were able to walk in, but I'm not too sure how it goes with this one, or if there's any available to see. We are going to go incognito and record off the iPhone. So we're not gonna have the great quality. You're gonna know a quality difference. And if I start recording like this to not be obvious, that's why, because I don't want them to know I'm recording for a YouTube video. And I'm gonna let y'all know how it hits and how it goes, and we'll catch back up with y'all in a few. We're gonna go to Bridgeside. This is what it's looking like. So far, we're guessing that it's gonna be twice as much I pay for mine. But yeah, there's the leasing office right there. But so far, it does look really nice. They have their own parking. You have a balcony and everything right there. That's pretty nice. All right, guys, as y'all just saw, we went through that apartment, Bridgeside Apartments, as you can see. Let's talk about it. Because, man, let me tell you, ain't no way I'm gonna be paying that much for what that is. Don't get me wrong. They got a pool, I got a pool. They got a common area, I got a common area. They got little events going on, I don't. They bring in food trucks, they got wine nights, Thanksgiving dinners, comedy hours, cornholes, all kind of stuff. But is it really worth $2,700 for this place right here? As y'all can see, this one was $2,700 and it's around 1,200 square feet. My condo, 1,100 square feet. You're also paying for the location and all the amenities and things like that. This is what it's looking like for the homes. Like I said, said it's $2,700 for for the place we looked at, which was the Sullivan. I'll include right here, as y'all probably watching right now, what it looked like throughout it. It depends on how much you can afford and what you are really looking for in the place you're moving to. It's nice, but is it $2,700 a month nice? I'm not sure. Like I said, I pay $1,600 for my condo. I own it. I don't got to worry about no pet fees and no other little things like that. This is in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. So Mount Pleasant is a lot more expensive than downtown West Ashley, James, Johns Island, North Charleston. This is the most expensive area, but that's not the most expensive place. So we just are gonna check out that place, and now we're gonna head downtown to show y'all what it's talking about downtown. So I'm gonna give y'all kind of an idea of each area looks like and what to expect if you are moving to each place. I'll catch y'all in the next one and at the next place. Have made it to our second location. We are at the Morrison Yard right here. This is right next, this is like across the bridge from Mount Pleasant. So we're right across the bridge, and there's us and there's the bridge. So we're gonna figure out how much it is to live here and stay here. I already know it's pretty expensive, but I kind of want to see how much these luxury apartments are hitting for, because I've always just wondered and was curious. So without any too much further talking, we're gonna go in there, we're gonna get a tour, and we're gonna see how much it is, and I'm gonna try to show y'all around. All right, y'all. So we just got done with a tour at the Morris Yard. This was the place that we went and toured. How many square feet?
701.
It was 701. Oh yeah, it was 701 square feet. This was the floor out and layout, what it looked like. Y'all saw what it looked like. Y'all watching what it was looking like. They wanted 2,300 for the first place, and the place after that they wanted 2,384 for the second place. Y'all let me know down in the comments below where y'all from, and is that a good price for those locations? And that's not even including utilities. You still have to pay for internet, electric, water, pay for parking, all that stuff too. So when it's all said and done, you're really paying around like 2,600, 2,700 a month to stay in these places. I do think it's better than the last place we saw, considering where we're at. You know, right over that bridge over there is Mount Pleasant, and then right behind us, as y'all saw too, is downtown. We're in the heart of downtown too, so it's kind of worth it, but at the same time, I don't know if it is. That second place, it took my heart, because y'all know I love the views, y'all know I love that bridge over there, so it took my heart. I would definitely consider it, but for that much, I don't make that much yet. Unless y'all want to continue to like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and y'all get me to 1,000 subscribers so I can make this much money, so we can move here. Not only will I be living here, but you will be too, because I'm gonna be making these great videos for y'all. Y'all gonna see me wake up every morning recording, shooting videos. Not only that too, $11,000 a month to live right there. Y'all let me know, would you do that? The only person I could think of doing something like that is like a YouTuber or somebody who owns... My bad, there's a truck coming. The only person I could imagine living right there is a YouTuber or like a tech business owner, somebody who makes crazy money. But 11,000 times 12, it's like $100,000 just to live in an apartment. They also had this cool feature in there too, in one of the guest lounge places, to have beer on draft. They had a beer on draft park. They had a dog park. They had all kind of stuff. Look, that was a tower right there. Over here to the left, that's a tower, and that's another tower. So there's two towers. They're connected by a courtyard. It's kind of worth it. It's nice, but I just can't afford it, and I'm kind of jealous that I don't live here, honestly. That's why I'm trying to talk down about it, but to me it is pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. So this is the second place that we've seen so far. We've seen one in Mount Pleasant, we've seen one downtown. Now we're gonna head either North Charleston or West Ashley. To be decided yet, I'm not too sure, but you know we're gonna bring y'all along with us to see what's going on. I'm paying $2,300 a month, and look, I gotta deal with this train rolling by. Oh, that's not that long of a train. What? That's only 1, 2. What? That's not that long of a train. I thought it was gonna be longer than that, but yeah. But I guess the train does roll through here. Forgot to mention, but I did take a napkin. The place was so nice, they had their own name on a napkin. Bro, where do you go? You know the place nice when they got the name on a napkin like that. That is nice. That's what you're paying $2,300 a month to help fund these napkin supplies. So that's what that's for. We have made it to our final destination. So we are located right now in Hanahan, South Carolina. Hanahan's right next to North Charleston. Hanahan is a little bit more nicer than North Charleston, and this would be an area that I would want to live. So all these places that we're visiting are places that I would want to live. You know, if you ever want to move to Charleston, you can possibly think about living here or live in different areas. It's up to you because you can do whatever you want. But I'm gonna do what I want to do. The Channel Family Apartments located here in Hanahan, South Carolina. I've been here before. I was here when I wanted to do rental arbitrage. This is one of the places that I thought about doing. If some of you don't know what rental arbitrage is, it's basically when you rent out an apartment and you list it on Airbnb, or you rent it out under your leasing name, or like subletting, as you would say. But anyway, that's a whole different video. All right, so it turns out it's the Bowman Waterfront Village, as you can see right there. Future resident parking. We're gonna go inside and see what it's talking about, y'all. It's starting to rain, so hopefully that doesn't affect us. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. And that's what it is. Got that car parked up over there.
$50 a month for my cat that doesn't even pay bills is crazy.
Yeah, it is. Honestly.
We did get a new gym, so it's called Bowen Market Gym and Snacks. You do need your key fob to get in there. There's like a kiosk, a checkout system. We can go look at that too when we're in the apartment. It's self-checkout. It's kind of like just go in there, scan your items.
Yeah.
Domino's, of course. The
nice.
2-bedroom is actually going to be on the 3rd floor in this building, so we'll take a look over there. People live here too, so like we have houses and condos. We are selling our cottages actually, but since y'all are not moving in for a couple more months, one might be available for y'all.
Okay.
Because we're only leasing the ones around the pool now.
How much do the condos start off?
Those are for sale.
Yeah, how much are they?
I'm not sure. I want to say they're like high 200, so.
Okay. Alright, y'all, so we are at the Bowman Channels, or whatever it's called. It has multiple different names. As you can see, just look around. Back there are townhomes and condos that you can buy right over there. Over here on this side is where you can rent apartments and everything. So there's a lot going on. There's plenty of places to live. They were asking $2,100 for the first place, and same thing with the second place. Both of those were really nice. If I were to pick, almost out of all the places that we did see, I'd probably pick over here. But then again, I don't know. The one downtown really has my heart, because it's next to everything and so close. Over here in Hanahan, you are close to a lot of things. You're not that close as you could be if you were downtown or even Mount Pleasant. But regardless of that, for what it is, it's really nice. Over here in this area, there's plenty of things. I don't know if you saw, but there's like a Domino's, there's a soul food restaurant, there's a coffee shop, there's a chiropractor, hair salon. There's all these different amenities and things. There's a dock to go fishing and everything. As you can see, look, it says beware of alligators and snakes. So you can get bit on a walk out here.
They have a boathouse where you can store your boat, and they have a private ramp so you can put your boat in the water.
It did start to rain, so we had to cut our tour a little bit shorter, but shout out to our tour guide for showing us that. And this would be a top contender to possibly move here if you're moving here into Charleston. If you want me to do another video going on tours and everything like that, y'all drop in the comments down below. I love doing things like this. I can maybe try to do behind the scenes a little bit more that I didn't include in this video, because people don't like that. You just shouldn't do that. And the average person who's really going going to go just see that home isn't recording every single little detail. Sum everything up. If y'all like today's video, please run this video up. It took a lot of time. I spent a lot of gas money going to all these places. So to help me get back some of that gas money, or if even y'all want me to rent out that $11,000 a month penthouse place downtown, y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. We are right there right now, and I do this almost every video because we're working towards it. I'm gonna show you here live too. We were sitting at, and I just got another subscriber since I checked it out, but we're sitting at 882 subscribers. So shout out to all of y'all for subscribing to my channel. I'm bringing y'all this fire content like no other. I'm getting out in the field. I'm showing y'all around Charleston. I'm showing y'all how to make that money. Not only that too, y'all remember we were talking about how I was gonna do rental arbitrage. I wanted to do Airbnb, but I couldn't. It's all this area is controlled by one big company. So when I came over, they didn't want me to do it because it's already being managed by somebody else. But some of these places over here are being rented out for Airbnb. So you could definitely do rental arbitrage, but they just didn't want me to do it because they didn't want to bring just some Joe Smo along doing it. So that's why. If y'all want me to get back into the game and do rental arbitrage, y'all continue to hit that like button and comment down below, say rental, and I'll try to get back to make more content about doing rental arbitrage for y'all on YouTube. Without any further talking, that's enough talking. I'm gonna go ahead and end out this video. Like I said, if you liked it, like, comment, subscribe. Y'all, thanks for watching. Peace.